Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Admiarti Ningtyas Muktiwinoto. You can call me Ami. I am currently sitting in class 4 ICP 5 Nujang Sidoarjo. Today I will explain about how to make a delicious, healthy, and practical fruit salad according to this. Previously, we prepared the dessert fruits including apples, watermelons, pears, strawberry, tasted jelly, and nata de coco to taste. Plain yogurt, white sweetened condensed milk, mayonnaise, grated cheddar cheese, and liquid milk. How to make it? First, cut the fruit, then mix it together with nata de coco and jelly. Second, for the sauce, add the milk and to the stove over low heat. Add the grated cheese, stir until dissolved and the cheese sauce thickens. Add 2 tablespoons of sweetened condensed mix well. Remove from heat. Let it cool. Third, mix the cheese sauce with yogurt, sweetened condensed, and mayonnaise. Fourth, pour the sauce over the fruit and mix well. Put grated cheese on top. Store the salad in the refrigerator. Fruit salad is ready to eat. Good luck. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.